During ONGC interview, they ask why you pour cement at the last in nominal concrete mix. Hello everyone. Let us have a discussion on what they generally expect from an engineer, especially from the civil engineer in PSU interview. As I start the video with a question, what I have received during my interview with ONGC, they asked me why you pour cement at the end of the concrete mix. Means what we generally do in nominal concrete mix, first we pour coarse aggregate, then fine aggregate, then after we pour the cement. Why it is so? Why we are adding cement in the third stage? Then after we are pouring water and mixing. So why we are pouring in this third stage? That's their question. So the question, based on that question, what they are looking for, what response they are looking for, based on that they try to know the candidate, whether that fellow having the knowledge of specific gravity, whether that fellow know what is nominal mix, whether the fellow have a decent understanding or basic understanding between nominal mix and the mix design. In the mix design, what are the criteria, what is standard deviation, what are the 456 guideline, what is the guidelines stated in the 10262, which is nominal means mix design criteria. So based on that they will understand the simple question they will ask. Based on that question they try to understand whether you are basic or whether your fundamental is clear or not. So that's the simple example what they have asked in the interview. So in every PSU, whatever you looking for in the recent year also they have published through GATE and examination they are recruiting. So in that examination, in that interview, you must listen their question first, what they are really asking, what is their intention, what are the words they have said. So in your technique, in every, as I mentioned in my previous videos also, in every PSU interview there are generally two parts. One is your technical domain, another is your HR round. I have separate video on that HR round also. So in civil engineering domain, so in every subject wise they will ask, as I mentioned the beginning of this session, that yes there are this question is. Apart from that, they generally what they ask me that in surveying, what is the fundamental principle in surveying. We know surveying every type of thing like plane table surveying, geodetic surveying, we know. But point is, what's the basic to fundamental principle in the way your surveying. Whether it is hold after giving the response, they cross-examine whether it is whole to part or part to whole. So be fundamentally clear or confident enough that yes, whatever response you will give, you have that means confidence. You have that confidence so that you will respond suitably. So that's the motive. That's the intention behind their way of asking. Why they are asking so? What is their intention? So that's this important. And apart from that, your communication skill is also important. So whenever you have what are the question they have asked, try to listen the question first. And if you have any queries, means if you have any doubt, or if you need to know, means need to clear the question, you may ask also. It doesn't mean that you have to be more cautious. If you don't, means if you are unable to understand the question, or if you are unable to catch the question properly, you can, pardon me sir, if you please repeat, then, or if you re-articulate. So they will change the same question they will ask, but change some few words so that it will be understandable for you. After getting the question, you can respond. Okay, so that is helpful. It might not be possible that you know each and every term. In some of the cases, you may not know the exact terminology. So if you don't able to catch the word or question, you just simple answer. If you please re-articulate the question, so they will definitely ask. They are not try to be means, yes, they are trying to judge you, but they are not trying to be very rude. So they are trying to give you a suitable environment. They will try to give you the proper way deliver the question, so that you will understand, you can give your response, take your own time. So that's the point. And most importantly, try to listen their question first, what they are looking for, and greet everyone. Those who the member of panels they are there, so greet everyone. Try to give your best. So, and apart from that, all the subject topic, like as I mentioned, I give you the one example concrete, another from the serving. Apart from their means your highway also, this is important. So why we are generally provide camber. Okay, so if you just simply respond to drain off the rainwater, is it sufficient? Is it a person who is become a PSU officer and just simply responding like this is for drain of rainwater? Don't you think you need some additional information also? Means how much we will provide, what are the conditions generally dependency conditions are there, why it is so, okay, how we can providing it. So try to give a little bit more extra information, so that they can connect, they can then understand, yes, this fellow have a idea, and try to link with your some of your experience, your college projects, and your, if you have gone undergo any internship, you can also go through that. Means you can link, yes, during my internship I have uh, visited that place, I implement that place, I have personally measured that road, personally implement the camber. So that's the point, how we are providing that camber in the surface, in the bituminous content, the thickness of the bitumen, how much it will be, how the OBC is find out, optimal bitumen content. So you can give a elaborate response, so that they will connect, they will understand, yes, that fellow have an understanding. So whatever the question they ask, you must give them a little brief, along with if you have any experience or any internship, any project to undergo, any means your BTech courses. So you just highlight that thing, you just give add-on information, so that they will cross examine, or they will ask a subsequent question. Based on that subsequent question, they will understand, yes, this is his basic or the level of knowledge or information that he possesses. So this is a very booster point for your selection. Apart from that, they will also try to give you some kind of means area, okay, so that, or a information which may not be correct. For example, they in one of my interview they asked me, for an example, if the water in front of you, this water, the BOD is 5, okay, don't do you drink that water, or refuse that water? What do you think? So if you simply say yes, or if you simply say no, so this is not make any sense. If you say yes, then why it is? If you say no, then why it is also. Give an explanation along with that. Okay. So whether you will drink a water having a BOD5, please let me know. If you have any queries, you'll also have to inform me. I will clarify. So that's the important thing. If if you say yes, I will drink that water. Okay, give the explanation why you are going to drink. If you know, then also give the explanation why you are not going to drink the water. And as per the guidelines also 10500 probably, in the guidelines also what they are suggesting, you can also go for the guidelines. You can also say the guidelines is in the guidelines whether this is supporting or not. Okay, if your thought process along with that guidelines, okay, and whether you will consume that water or not. That's how you will have a good impact on the board. So इन द नाल शेट और मोटा मोटा जिसको बोलते हैं, जो भी आपके पास सवाल आएगा इसको अच्छे से सुनिए, देन आफ्टर यू गिव द रिस्पॉन्स along with give a decent response, not a very short, not very short, not very long. Okay, if you have any query, just let me know. Okay, thank you.